Welcome to a day in the life of a 27-year-old full-time content creator. I woke up around 9:45 and did the usual, brushed my teeth and then iced my face, which is my favorite thing to do every morning. Then I made my black coffee and usually I have it with some dates, so that's what I did. While having my coffee, I got some work done. I was making one of those aesthetic looking carousel posts, so I just finished the editing and then I went to take a shower. After that, I had my lunch. We usually have rice with sabzi and some dal or curry or rasam or sambar. I had 2 events to attend today, so I started getting ready and I wanted my makeup to last till the night, so I only used long-lasting full coverage products, and of course I paired it with a glossy lip because honestly I don't think I could ever do a matte lip. So that's the makeup all done, and for my outfit I wore this really pretty butter yellow dress. I love that it's padded and even the back is so pretty, so yeah, that's how it looked. And then I headed to the first event, which was the Kiko Milano store launch, and it was literally like entering makeup heaven. Met my gorgeous fellow creator girlies, and then I was just checking out their products, and the quality of everything was so good. I was actually impressed, and even the packaging was quite luxe. After we got done, all of us decided to go chill together for a bit because for some reason we never hang out outside of events, so we headed to Broadway and obviously ordered the puff pizza. So damn good. Then I came back home and started getting ready for the second event. The makeup was still looking pretty good and all I needed was some touch-ups. I put on some blush and then I darkened my eyeshadow because I wanted it to look a bit smoky since it was a nighttime event, and also reapplied my kajal. Then I dabbed my face with some tissue paper to remove the excess oil around my T-zone, put on a little bit of concealer wherever I wanted to add some coverage, and then set my under eyes with some light pink loose powder because I wanted it to look bright. It does look a bit crazy when you apply it, but once you dust it off, it looks flawless. And then I did a glossy nude lip, which is honestly so predictable at this point, but yeah, that's the finished look. For my outfit, I wore this stunning royal blue maxi dress and it just fits so beautifully. And then I was on my way. I was going in a cab, so I put on this jacket just for the ride. I'm sure the girlies can relate. And then I reached the event. It was for a collection launch of a Swiss watch brand. They're actually the oldest Swiss watch makers and their watches were so stunning, completely encrusted with diamonds. Then I just met some of my fellow creators, had a drink, and then made sure I'm getting some good pictures because the location was so pretty. And then I finally headed back home. Sometimes I'm just so excited to be back home after a long day that I don't even feel that tired anymore. Like I'm literally excited to get comfy and be in bed. After changing, I removed my lens and then I removed my makeup with my oil cleanser. I'm using the Anua oil cleanser at the moment and it's definitely one of the best cleansers I've ever used. Super gentle but removes everything and doesn't cause any burning sensation around the eyes. Then I'm just washing my face with a face wash, put on my skincare, and it's so satisfying when your skin is like squeaky clean and hydrated and glowy at the same time. Also, I barely ate anything at the event, so I had my dinner while watching Absentia on Netflix. It's a mystery series and I loved it. And then I finally went to bed after a super long day, so good night and I'll see you in my next one.